Oh, dali, oh. There once upon a time
There
na.
was a time what's a girl skeleton is away a world. Oh, see a kicking. Oh, reach, unreach, unreach, unreach.
Oh, ang sabi nung witch? Sabi nung witch? Oh, ano nangyari sa wolf?
Wait a potato in a king. Weeks
Scary yung wolf?
scary one.
Hala. What about the other animals? The other animals?
The animals.
What animals?
This animal, Papa Jesus.
The dog?
Meow.
What sabi ng dog?
Woof, woof.
Tapos, si cat?
Meow, meow.
Ano pang merong animal doon?
Da.
Sabi.
Quack, quack.
And the pig? Oh. Kwento ka ulit about wolf naman, once upon a time.
And there was a boy, and there was a witch.
What happened to the witch? Hansel and Gretel ba yon?
Apa?
Ito ka maglagay ng net.
Gusto ko ang
Say bye-bye!
in the next time. Bye-bye.
See you next time.